All right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, so check this out. We've got Summon available on the trial, FSD trial that was given to everyone with the Tesla. So check this out. We're gonna do a little Summon test here. Go to target. All right, so now we're gonna see what the car is doing. Actually, this is the first time I'm ever testing out Summon using this vehicle here. So here we go, testing out Summon with the Model Y, and here it comes. Very cool. I mean, seriously, this is just so awesome to see this in action. Take a look. So cool. There's no one driving that car. Oh my gosh. All right, now it went exactly where I needed to go, but let's have a little fun with it. Let me actually put the windows down and see if we can do a little bit more Summon action here. All right, so this is where it really messes up. As you can see, there's a fire hydrant right there and a little barrier, and I gotta make sure that my car doesn't go into that barrier. So here we go. We're gonna go to target, and the car should officially be moving now. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. And it sees me getting close, so it stopped and wait for me. Robo driver, going too fast. All right, you can catch up. No, it's going too fast. Oh yeah, and it does emissions as soon as it stops. Because we don't pump gas, so. Alright, so we're gonna play around with this a little bit more and see what we can do with it. Oh look, I see myself on the camera walking. We're gonna see how good it is with me actually walking in front of it. So we're gonna test this out here. Oh, look at that. It stopped. It stopped really well. Good job. All right, but now look, as soon as I walk away from it, it proceeds. And hey, stop. You're driving too fast. I see myself in the visualization over there. That is just so cool. It's like prime fall season right now too. And yeah, it went exactly where I wanted it to go. See if we can actually get it to like park, and what I'll do is just hit the come to me button, like right there. So let's see if we can get it to park right in this spot right here. These are some poorly drawn on lines. There's really no lines here. All right, so I guess that's good enough for the come to me. Since granted this is the right side of the road, we don't want it hanging out on the left side of the road. It actually kept that, like an actual two-way traffic is supposed to be. So it did really good on this Summon test here. Actually, I think that was 10 out of 10. It did everything I wanted it to do. Let's see now if we can actually just get it to go into the shade here, which would be pretty cool. So as you can see, that's the shaded area. So I'm just gonna like kind of select it here in the corner underneath the trees like that. There we go, and here we go. You can see myself walking around with the sun. Wow, the sun is glaring hard. Oh, and it put the windows up for some reason too. I guess on completion it puts the windows up just in case anyone's around. They can't just like hop into your car or take something sticking out of it. So they did think some of these things through. And look, it is going right into the shade. Right into the shade. Exactly where I asked it to go. That is crucial. Now, if we could just get it to park itself, that'd be cool too. So imagine if you had like the parking lines right there. Actually, I think that would be pretty awesome. That would be like round 2. When it comes to Summon. But yeah, the car does it all. I think I just got the update, and especially now with the trial going out, more and more people are getting to experience FSD and summon and all that in one. So this should be a lot of fun for people. I think so. So let me see if I can actually put the windows down here. Makes for a little bit of a better video. Let's take a look here. Yeah, look at that. Look at the clearance here someone's able to deal with too. Does a really good job. Nice. Alright, so that's about as much fun as I can have on my lunch break. And yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This was a super fun one to shoot. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly finish my lunch. Still have like 20 minutes, but yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.
Tesla's coming right on by. No key needed, just my phone. From blocks away, it finds my zone. People staring, they can see. Test the new future, this is me. Smart summer swagger all day long. Watch my Tesla sing its song. Hands-free driving on the go. In my whip to every show. Gadgets all up in the dash, colors changing in a flash. Navigate the tightest bends, Tesla's got the latest trends. City streets are open roads, swift maneuvers like a mode. Chilling while it does the work, tech savvy with a little smirk. Come on, waiting in the rain. Smart summer breaks the chain. Watch it come like it's got wings. Master of the latest things. Pull up in the ride, it's electric. Smart summer features so eclectic. I press the button, let it fly. My Tesla's coming right on by. No key needed, just my phone. From blocks away, it finds my zone. People staring, they can see. That's the new future, this is me. Smart summer swagger all day long. Watch my Tesla sing its song. Hands-free driving on the go. In my whip to every show. Gadgets all up in the dash, colors changing in a flash. Navigate the tightest bends, Tesla's got the latest trends. City streets are open roads, swift maneuvers like a mode. Chilling while it does the work, tech savvy with a little smirk. No more waiting in the rain.